Hi, I'm Hal, the founder and president of the Markerboard People. Today's teachers regularly bring up using showerboard as a whiteboard alternative. They claim it isn't holding up like it used to. In the past, showerboard actually could be used as a whiteboard alternative. Unfortunately, today's product is not showerboard. It's now called smooth panelboard by the manufacturer. Turn a panel over and the manufacturer's label says, for high moisture areas, do not use smooth panelboard. Showerboard was meant to get wet. Panelboard is not supposed to get wet. Markers are wet. Go figure. Now you know why it will permanently stain and get discolored. Now we are not a big corporate conglomerate. We are a family-owned business. We own the factory. Our whiteboards are entirely different. They are non-porous and the surface will not permanently stain. They're made with recycled, earth-friendly materials, and we offer free shipping. Now we don't want to overpromise. All boards can be scratched or dinged, but our student whiteboards are made to give you several years of service. I guarantee it. I hope this video helps explain where the showerboard went.